everyone. We're going to find the slope of the curve f of x equals absolute value of x minus 2 at x equals 1. I'm also going to graph the curve just to show what's going on with the slope near x equals 1. So let's look and see what we have first. Before let's look at near x equals 1. All right, and we have f of x equals absolute value of x minus 2. Now, if you substitute in 1 into this, you're going to get a negative number here. So we're going to write this equals negative x minus 2 and simplify this as when you distribute the negative 2 minus x. So we're going to let our f of x, because we're at x equals 1, equal 2 minus x. Now, let's go ahead and use our limit process to get the slope. This is going to give you your slope. We're going to write the limit. I'm going to rewrite it here. The limit as h approaches 0, and we're going to do f of x plus h. So our x is 1, so you can put 1 plus h. Minus f of, we have x, so you put 1. All divided by h. So simplifying, we get the limit as h approaches 0. Now, this is your f of x. So you're going to write this as 2 minus x. So your x now is 1 plus h here. All right, and then you have minus your f of x. So it's write your f of x, 2 minus x. But again, our x is 1. So basically, I use this formula, but instead of x, I put 1, because we already know what x is. And this is all divided by h. Now, simplifying this, we're going to get the limit as h approaches 0. It's going to be 2 minus 1 minus h. This equals 1, so we have minus 1 divided by h. Now, this all will cancel because that's 2 minus 2. And h will go into h one time. We have this negative here. So we really have the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 1. So the limit of a constant is just the constant. So our slope is negative 1. And that's what we had to find. But let's look at the graph. This is just the absolute value function shifted to the right by 2 units. So I shifted it to the right. It's pretty easy to graph. And then we're looking at what's going on at x equals 1. This is your x-axis here. All right. So at 1 or near 1, this slope here you can see is negative 1. And that's what we were looking for. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.